Okay, welcome ma'am. It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Gagi Srivastava ma'am from Computer Science Department of Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. That the startup is paying nearly 1.5 lakh monthly in stipends.
Because passion requires not only your interest, it requires a lot of preparedness inside.
Okay, welcome ma'am. It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Gagi Srivastava ma'am from Computer Science Department of Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology.
So, in our podcast discussion session, our main topic revolves around the career decision problems in the secondary education that most of the students face nowadays. So, I hope that all the students who are watching this video will surely get benefited from ma'am's expertise and experience.
So ma'am, can we have a bit informal discussion?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so ma'am, my actually after joining our college, RGRPT, I was always like a bit curious to know about your career path, your career decision. Like, what made you motivated to choose this career path? And your career.
I have always wanted to be a teacher. I always wanted to teach engineering students ever since my own engineering. And means in my childhood, I wanted to be a teacher, but as I joined BTech and did engineering, I wanted to do teaching profession in the engineering field. So I was pretty sure that I've always wanted the same thing. I've never wanted to be anywhere else. So that is why I'm still here. That is one thing, but I think it happens with very few people like that.
No,
that
ma'am, it
they
happens with
use-
me even.
Okay. Okay. So I think I'm lucky that what I thought at the first point in my life, today I'm there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy now.
Okay.
So as mom said, I too like teaching. So ऐसे मतलब लोगों को वो कुछ लोगों को बचपन से ही पता चल जाता है बट बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं who get like problems in their path to know their passion and career. So ma'am, I would like to know what are the most common career decision problems that are faced by the students nowadays?
One problem I think currently the students that have is I think passion. जो आज के लोग बोलते हैं कि passion के पीछे जाना चाहिए. And I feel passion is a very strong word. And instead, we should start with very baby steps, like what interests us. Even if something interests us, can we do it just one step better? Can we do it just one step better? And that will, I think, give a better result than looking for a passion which totally entangles us. It is, I think, quite time taking, and also it takes a lot of energy to think कि मुझे क्या पसंद है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा क्या लगता है, ये मुझे थोड़ा सा ही अच्छा लगता है. If we'll try to go behind our interest, जो हमें थोड़ा सा भी excite करता है, so I think we will surely find our way.
Yeah.
Okay. Your interest may over time convert into passion when you really have the aptitude to it. Because passion requires not only your interest, it requires a lot of preparedness inside you. क्योंकि आप सोच सकते हैं कि अब मुझे ये करना है, बट यू विल नेवर नो कि मतलब उस चीज को करने के लिए आपको चाहिए क्या इनसाइड से. लेकिन अगर आप अपने इंटरेस्ट का काम करते हैं, सो यू प्रोसीड विद बेबी स्टेप्स एंड यू प्रिपेयर during that way when you move on to these steps. I think interest एक ज़्यादा वैसी चीज़ है जो लोगों को देखना चाहिए, ना कि passion. I think that will help them better.
Got it. And ma'am, I wanted to ask, like, is it important for secondary students to decide their career in their secondary education itself?
By secondary education, I guess you're talking about class 11, 12 students.
Yeah.
Okay. If I remember very well, when I was in class 11th and 12th, I was not very sure what that I will going to teach because at that point of time maybe I was not that much aware of my likeness for being a teacher. I just went through the process and burdening oneself कि क्या करना है, क्या करना है, क्या करना है, destroys most of the sweet moments that you should actually enjoy. Because eventually you have to do this. You have to take care of yourself, and one day parents will stop their investing in us because everyone has got their own life. One day even siblings will start moving away, and you eventually have to do something for yourself, and you will find a way out. And it's not necessary कि जिसने 11 12 में sort कर लिया. Yes, there may be prodigal child जिन्हें बहुत पहले से ही पता होता है कि उन्हें क्या करना है. But ठीक है, अगर 11 12 में नहीं भी पता, I don't think that matters that much. I have been surrounded by friends and relatives. I don't think anyone in the class 11 and 12 around me so thought कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या बनना है, and pressure that one. But I think everyone is doing pretty well right now.
Yes, ma'am. In my 11, 12 itself, my friends were a bit sure at what they want to do, but I wasn't sure that I have to take which branch. I just took computer science because I knew in future it has lots of demand. That's why I just took it.
Uh, I have heard people starting for JE from class 7th, 8th. And
Yes,
I
ma'am.
did not even, it was shocking, it was shocking, I guess, because I did not have a bit single most idea about what is JE till I actually went in class 11. I did not have the rarest of that idea. And I never thought कि JE will give me something that I want in life. I hardly prepared, and that put my parents off quite a lot. कि तुम पढ़ ही नहीं रही हो, तुमने सोचा ही नहीं है. So, but I knew I will do pretty fine in my life. I will never be very upset regarding what I don't get. But I was pretty sure what I did not want. Like I thought, I think I have inculcated that in my siblings also, that do not think कि something will happen in your life and your life depends on it at a very early stage in your life. Like in class 11th, I guess people are around 15, 16 years of age.
Yes, ma'am.
Putting everything on stake कि मुझे ये नहीं मिला तो मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, puts a lot of trauma on the part of life that you have yet not lived. I think people need to ease down कि ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये end of life है. There is so much to life that we do not know. Okay, and even parents should put the pressure a little bit down. Thankfully, I was never pressurized by my parents, and because they also went with the flow कि ठीक है, ये सोच रही है कुछ कर लेगी तो कुछ कर लेगी. So I'm happy. That is why I have been surrounded by similar kind of people a lot. I've never seen my friends also getting pressurized कि 11 12 से क्या करना है, but I think everyone is pretty nice.
मैम दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज 11 12 में हम लोगों को लगता था कि जेई है और हमें सिर्फ वही पास पता होता था और हमें पता था कि ये अगर नहीं हो पाया तो वी डोंट बाय एनी अदर डोर्स, तो हमें जो करना है इसमें ही करना है. शायद इसीलिए हम लोगों को वो प्रेशर फील होता है.
That should stop because 11th 12th are, I think, one of the most precious moments of our life, and we should not be pressurized. In fact, I'm very close to a person who thought that like 11 12 में JEE करना ही करना है, and although he is doing pretty well in life, but he is not satisfied. He or she is not satisfied with that, and he always thinks that he could have done better, he could have done better, he could have done better, and he is not contented with currently what he is in. So that makes life very traumatic. So I seriously think that people should not put everything into JEE नहीं मिला या मुझे I don't know डॉक्टरी का नहीं मिला तो नहीं होगा. There are so much options in life. There's just endless list. You can do anything. और आजकल तो एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. हम लोग के टाइम पे तो इतना कुछ था भी नहीं कि मतलब फिक्स चीजें थी करने के लिए. अब तो पढ़ाई के अलावा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं करने के लिए.
मैम देयर आर बट कंपटीशन भी उतना ही है. वी हैव टू बी आवर बेस्ट.
बेस्ट क्यों होना है? मतलब बेस्ट नहीं होके तो सब बेकार है. मुझे I personally feel कि I don't think my parents were the toppers of their schools or colleges or whatever they are studying. Are they not doing good enough in life? Yes, they are. they are done. They are doing pretty well. They are doing so nice. They are so nice parents. They are so nice. Means whatever they are doing at, and I think they are successful people.
Yes, ma'am.
In life, they are successful people, and you don't need a JE to define a successful life. You don't need an exam or a competition to define a successful life.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're happy at the end of the day, it's fine.
Uh-huh. I agree.
That's the idea.
Yeah, ma'am.
बस 11th 12th में मतलब जे ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. तो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा था कि मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स दे वर ऑप्टिंग फॉर जेई इन द इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड और द डॉक्टर फील्ड. तो कि उस टाइम पे जो चीज चल रही होती है हम बस उसके साथ चले जाते हैं कि सब लोग डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं तो लेट मी ऑल्सो डू इट. तो ऐसा आजकल होता है. तो मतलब ऐसा करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए सारी चीजें.
You are talking about secondary education. I am closely seeing a relative who was under peer pressure for making her son, 4-year-old son, join a Vedic mathematics class because every one of her colleagues has made their children join Vedic mathematics class. What is this? What is this?
Ma'am,
Matlab-
this happens.
I don't know why it happens. If your child is showing some interest in mathematics, maybe you think that the current level of support is not enough to nurture what he already is good at. That is fine. But pressurizing students into children into doing something, I think that's fine. That's correct with what we are giving them as children.
Yes,
I think most of the technology and most of the artwork and most of the freedom that we are currently enjoying is from the people who have not studied, who have not done well.
Right. Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Most of the things that we are today enjoying is not because of people who work really, really hard, who were toppers in JE, who were something or something else, but from people who were just trying to be good.
Yes,
Nah.
ma'am. Yeah.
Just trying to survive through life, and I think that will be enough.
And they're happy.
And they're happy, yes. And they are also paving the path for so many people. So no one thought people will enjoy digital content creators, and yet you have a government giving out awards and honors to people who are creating content digitally.
Yes, ma'am.
Never thought of that kind of thing. So
Never.
you never know what life will give you. So don't be depressed about what you haven't got.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, should we make career decision based on what is a trending market in the future? Like, should we follow that path? Like, that is personally for us.
like
I
we,
think you should follow trends. You should make trends.
Just
I
like
believe in
AI
making
came.
trends.
Just like ChatGPT came.
ChatGPT, the ChatGPT is not about making them. You make trends. You decide what you do so that people can believe. Your younger siblings, your younger generation can believe that if you do what you like, you will definitely be happy. That is the legacy that you have to leave behind. Instead of like running behind something in a rat race and not being happy at the end of it, doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
मैम बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरे जूनियर्स ही हैं. तो दे आर लाइक उनका एक थिंकिंग है कि इंजीनियरिंग में भी सिर्फ कंप्यूटर साइंस फील्ड सबसे अच्छा होता है. और आजकल चल रहा है उसमें जॉब्स है इसमें ये इससे तब तो उसको लेना चाहते हैं. ऑल अदर लाइक ब्रांचेस उनको निग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं क्योंकि वो ट्रेंड में कंप्यूटर साइंस है. इवन पेरेंट्स का भी आजकल यही थिंकिंग है. मतलब किसी भी पेरेंट्स से अगर हम बात करेंगे ना तो यही कहेंगे कि इसको कंप्यूटर साइंस नहीं मिल रहा है यही चाहिए या फिर इसका जिद है. मतलब आजकल अभी जेई का रिजल्ट आया है तो सब लोग वही बोल रहे हैं.
मेरा भी जिद था मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस चाहिए.
मेरा भी.
See, I will not tell anything against it because my favorite branch is also computer science. I have negated everyone in my family for computer science, even when I did not know what is the benefit I am going to get out of it. It was because I hated physics. I hated electronics. So I thought I just cannot go with physics anymore. I just hated physics to my guts. Because I had a not very good teacher. And I was from a town which was not very supportive of tuitions or ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं उधर. There was no culture of giving exams or. So So I was in a very bad situation with physics, and I just never wanted to study physics anymore. So the thing is कि computer science trend में है इसलिए कर लें. I still tell no. You do what you like. That is the main priority. In fact, my own siblings, I pressurize my parents not to pressurize my siblings. कि उसको जो पढ़ना है वो वही पढ़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Exactly.
And you can do good in any field. If you think only computer science leads the world, it's not so. It's not possible, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Everything
you
is
have
interlinked.
so much developments in automobile, so much developments in civil. Okay, that you are currently having means and electronics. Basically, electronics. Electronics is what driving the world right now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't think computer science नहीं मिला तो life नहीं चलेगा. Again, I never feel like ये नहीं मिला तो मेरा काम नहीं होगा. ऐसा तो कुछ है ही नहीं. If you think that I've seen students from petroleum doing computer science projects, students from computer science interested in doing ideas related to energy and petroleum. Currently, I'm guiding students who are from mathematics. They want to do something in the energy sector. You can have any number of options. पहले तो हम लोग में इतना interdisciplinary वगैरह चीज भी नहीं थी. अभी तो है इतना सारा ऑप्शन है तो why to stress on one thing? You can have everything.
Yes,
You can have
ma'am.
multiple degrees.
Yes, ma'am. Should be. Ma'am, as you said that you hated physics. Ma'am, I started hating mathematics in my 11th and 12th. And
But mathematics teacher नहीं छोड़ेगी. The
yes,
more you
ma'am,
hate
exactly.
it, the
This
more
is the problem. After joining my college,
will never leave your side because mathematics is the only true science.
yes,
You don't
ma'am,
have mathematics.
I saw my course and curriculum. I saw that mathematics is in each and every semester, and I was literally because I was feeling
Mathematics,
bad.
even if you do PhD, I am telling, in my PhD I have done mathematics
Okay.
as a coursework. And जो आप currently maths 1, maths 2, maths 3 अलग-अलग पढ़ते हैं engineering में,
Yes,
I had to
ma'am.
do that in a single go in PhD. One paper of maths, maths 1, maths 2, maths 3.
Ma'am, this is not good. I guess.
This is not good. I also felt that.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, my first statement होती है मैथ्स मेरा पीछे कब छूटेगी. मैं जितना पीछे छुड़ाने जाती हूँ उतना मेरे पीछे रहती है. In fact, I ended up having a bunch of PhD friends. All are from mathematics. Currently, I have 3 friends from mathematics. One of them was my roommate. The other 2 live next to my room. So any problem, so if you find mathematics torturous, my suggestion is you make friends with people who are studying mathematics. You will have good friends and you will have your problem solved.
What do you mean? Okay, ma'am.
Even currently, if I face some problem in, related to mathematics while I'm studying a subject or I'm preparing for something, I immediately just click a photo and send it to them and can solve this and send it to me. This is what I do. So you will always have, you can have friends who are good in mathematics.
Okay, ma'am. Then I'll do
If
this.
you hate
only.
mathematics, make friends.
Yes, ma'am. We have to make friends who are friends of mathematics.
Yes. I hated physics and electronics, and I had even friends from electronics department also.
Hey. Okay.
You see, I move around here with Dr. Sadal a lot, and in fact, in my BTech, I had a roommate who was from electronics.
Yes,
So if you
ma'am.
hate the subject, you make friends with people who study that subject.
Understood.
Ma'am, now I have a question from a different track. Like, how do you think that the college organizations should work for the better culture of skills and all? Because we believe that organizations miss what they actually need to do.
Organizations, see, I think skill set is something that, a whole set of skill set is something that an academic institution will hardly be able to provide for. Because the skill of every student is different. See, engineering is a course. You
Yes,
cover
ma'am.
64 subjects, right? Around
Yes,
8
ma'am.
semesters, 5 or 6 subjects, 8 to the 48. Around 48 50 subjects you study.
Hmm.
And that is fixed. ये 48 कोर्स में आप पास हो जाइए आप इंजीनियर हैं बट स्किल सेट पे ऐसा कुछ डिफाइन नहीं Maybe someone is good at Java. Maybe someone is good at aptitude. Maybe someone is good at talking. Somebody is good at communication. Somebody is good at presentation. So people have different skill sets, and providing that from an education, if someone is providing it, well and good. But I think it's mostly of a personalized thing, and we should take it our own way, and maybe not dependent on the education institute that much, because then you will have more areas of exploration. That is one thing with skills. If I am spoon feeding it to you, today I am telling you you have to study this subject, I am giving you a book, you are not going to look anything apart from that book. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Absolutely
है ना?
right, ma'am.
एक बार पीपीटी दे दी 100 स्लाइड की, ये पढ़ना है, पेपर में आएगा, तो उसके अलावा एक 100 फर्स्ट स्लाइड यू विल नॉट स्टडी, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
That is probably skill. If I am taking a skill course from an academic point of view, as an academic institution, you see what I will teach you, that will be enough. You will not look left or right or up and down from there. But when you start exploring opportunities apart from academic institutions, you will understand how much there is to learn. Okay. So I think if education institutes are doing it, okay, that is fine. But I don't think skills should be made available in educational institute, because it will make one thing about exploration spoon feeding. जो skills आपकी exploration से improve होगी, अगर वो आपको मैं spoon feed कर दूंगी, you will never learn.
Never.
And it will never be wholesome for all the students, because everyone has a different skill set.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone might be very good at one of the subjects like web technology, okay, and he can grow a company out of it without any skill set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think the skill set is more of a personal thing, and you should explore it on an individual basis.
Yes, ma'am. As students nowadays think that they should be spoon fooded with everything. Like schools में भी ऐसा होता था कि
That is the problem. कि जो बता देंगे फिर वही करोगे, फिर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलेगा और क्या हो सकता है. That is the problem.
Then the student will never explore.
आज चैट जीपीटी है तो students are not knowing what to write in an application apart from chat gpt. I'm not telling that you should not use. I'm never telling कि नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि भाई someone who has developed this is a computer scientist. I am a computer science engineer. Why will I deny something that my senior or super senior or super senior has built? Why will I deny that?
Yes, ma'am.
Technology has to move forward, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
the sense you should keep it to yourself, right? एक एप्लीकेशन सुधारना और एक एप्लीकेशन लिख लेना उसी से, कि वो चैट जीपीटी नहीं रहेगा तो हम एक लाइन एप्लीकेशन नहीं लिख पाएंगे. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम,
That is a
right?
problem. Yes, ma'am.
That writing an good application is a skill. ChatGPT cannot teach you that. You can only learn by writing it again and again and again.
Yes, ma'am.
I agree. It has somehow made the students handicapped because अगर वो लोग चैट जीपीटी नहीं करेंगे तो वो कुछ खुद से कर ही नहीं पाते हैं. All they need is that for the homework and all.
We have written so many applications by hand till I think PhD. हम तो अभी तक before November 2022 I think we never got an opportunity कि कोई हमारा application लिख देगा. Chance ही नहीं हो. And for our siblings we were our chat GPT. है ना, उनकी application भी हमें नहीं लिखी है. So you only get better by practicing again and again. If I am spoon feeding you the application, you will never be able to write an application well.
Yeah, ma'am. We even have one incident at the hostel. I don't know, one day ChatGPT was blocked for some reason, and everyone was so tense that why is it not working? We are having exams on our head. Why is it not working? Because everyone was so much dependent on that. That day we realized that ChatGPT अगर चला गया तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे?
मतलब फिर degree बेकार है. Right? You will have to do something more than ChatGPT. Otherwise,
No, ma'am, it is somewhat helpful as
a number
well.
of companies are replacing jobs with ChatGPTs.
Right.
So if you can do as good as only a ChatGPT, so why should you pay ChatGPT's fee?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So, ma'am, my next question to you is like, what should be the strategies or what should be the goal to be stay motivated for our internships? Like, getting an internship is important for us or not?
Doing an internship is important. Doing a paid internship is not important.
Yes, ma'am, I agree. Doing an internship is important. But, ma'am, how to manage it with academic pressures? Like, we have to do it with academic as well, no, ma'am?
Internship does not. I mean, it is not during the time of academics, right?
Yes, ma'am, during summer breaks. But if someone is interested to do that, like they want to continue that. I have seen many of our seniors who are doing internship to see.
I'm telling you, if you go behind passion, then you will have to have the aptitude. If I'm running behind something, then I need to understand that I cannot leave the other thing. I cannot leave academics. Then I have to manage both. If I'm not prepared for it, anyhow my passion will not work.
Yes, ma'am. Right? Yes, ma'am.
And the only thing that you have to be is engineering is the toughest thing. You have to understand. You will be a different person after this. You will not be the same person ever. If after 4 years you will have, if I ask you to prepare a presentation within 15 minutes, an engineer can do that. Yes. If I am asked to the exam में फ्राजर में जितना पढ़ना हो पढ़ लेंगे. Engineering means it molds into something different personality. So जितना प्रेशर एक इंजीनियरिंग का स्टूडेंट ले लेता है, उतना प्रेशर एक नॉर्मल डिग्री का स्टूडेंट हार्डली ले पाता है. So that is what this. Engineering is difficult. Engineering has never been easy. So you might have to do 2 tasks, 3 tasks, 4 tasks at a time. जॉब में तो आपके आज तो आपके एकेडमिक का प्रेशर है और इंटर्नशिप का है. जॉब में क्या करो? यू विल हैव मल्टीपल रोल्स टू प्ले. तो क्या कहोगे कि अब ये बंद है, ये ऑफ कर देंगे, ये बटन और ये ऑन हो जाएगा? ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना. You will be responsible and multiple deadlines. You will be chasing multiple deadlines at the same point of time. So engineering is that. I just tell engineering is difficult and you have to take it as is. आज मतलब जैसा है वैसे लेना पड़ेगा. उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकते कि इसको आसान कर दो. Then you will not come out as an engineer. You will come out as a moldy caterpillar.
Yes, ma'am. I guess it is teaching us how to handle multiple things for a future only.
Yes.
That is also a part of lesson.
You have multiple deadlines. In a single day, I am talking, not in a month.
अभी तो एकेडमिक्स है कि तुम पूरे सेमेस्टर भी मत पढ़ो, रात में भी पढ़ लिया तो तुम कुछ तो लिख लोगे. In job, you have multiple deadlines in a single day.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the third time I'm interacting. I have been taking interviews from 10 to 2 in the morning. 10 to 2. I have been taking interviews from 10 to 2. From 2 to 3, I had my lunch. Between that, I had to manage my family also. I have to talk to them because after work hours, there is no time. Then I was in an RPC. Again, I had to interact. And now I am with you. So in different context, and I had to do everything today. Because you also have deadline tomorrow possibly, right? Saturday को तुमने बोला था.
Saturday.
RPC की भी deadline आज है. उस interview की भी deadline आज है. And to talk to family also, you have a same deadline. You cannot just leave away family for your work. Right? Between that, you have to have food. You have to feel refreshed. ठीक है? I cannot be just clumsy with you. कि ठीक है मैंने सुबह मेहनत कर ली तो इस time छोड़ देते हैं. And the work will not get over till 8 because I have to go to hostel.
Yes, ma'am.
So you see, it will happen to you also. I'm not boasting कि मैं इतना काम कर रही हूँ. मेरे ज़्यादा काम बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं. ये कम काम है. Okay, so yes, you will have to do multiple things at a time. No problem.
We have to adapt.
So I am talking since 10 o'clock. You can see I have not shut my mouth since morning.
Okay. Got it. We are doing no struggle right now.
Yes. हम लोग को जैसे जो असाइनमेंट्स मिलते हैं उसका भी डेडलाइन होता है, तो उससे भी हम लोग यही सीखते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग उसको मैनेज कर सके, टाइम को मैनेज कर सके, प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल कर सके.
ठीक है, असाइनमेंट हमने भी छापा है. एंड द मीम्स दैट यू आर वाचिंग नाउ ना कि जो डिजाइन बनाया बना दो और पूछो मत. That is the time that we had made. We used to sit in a library and we used to sit like a copy machine. जो लिखा लिखते था, कुछ बात मत करो.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's like We have lived through that, and today you are making memes out of it. So assignment तो आपको brain को priority देनी है. क्या चीज समझना जरूरी है, क्या चीज समझना नहीं जरूरी. So you can prioritize work like that.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Happens.
मैम आजकल करियर डिसीजन मेकिंग में सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है कि व्हाट करियर ऑप्शंस दे हैव अहेड. लाइक पेरेंट्स को भी बचपन से मतलब वो लोग बोलते हैं डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, मतलब इसके अलावा लोगों ने मतलब करियर ऑप्शंस देखे ही नहीं होते हैं. तो हाउ कैन वी हैंडल दैट? कि शुड अ स्टूडेंट नो ऑफ ऑल द करियर ऑप्शंस दैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम इन द फ्यूचर?
No, you don't need and you cannot. Still, I don't know out कि कौन से field से पढ़ के क्या बनते हैं. I'm telling, if you are interested, if you feel in certain field, तो आपको certainly अगर आप baby steps लेना शुरू करेंगे, you will understand कि यहाँ पे कैसे होता है. I never knew that for becoming a teacher for engineering institute I have to do PhD. I realized in my MTech कि अब इसके लिए PhD भी करना पड़ेगा. जब तक आप जाएंगे तब तक पॉलिसी भी चेंज हो सकती है. ठीक है, थिंग्स चेंज. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
तो ऐसा अगर आपको करियर ऑप्शन अगर देखने हैं तो यू यू लुक एंड लुक फॉर व्हाट यू लाइक. इसमें क्या करते हैं लोग, कैसे करते हैं. नाउ यू हैव सो मच. हमारे जमाने में तो न्यूज़पेपर में आता था, न्यूज़पेपर से पता चलता था कि अब ये करना है. अभी तो ऐसा है कि आप तुरंत यू कैन जस्ट लुक इट अप. इवन यू कैन आस्क चैटजीपीटी कि हाँ इस करियर ऑप्शन के लिए क्या क्या मतलब इंटरेस्ट है या क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा या कहाँ से कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
सो आई थिंक इतना सब कुछ जान लेना किसी के लिए भी इम्पॉसिबल है. बट करियर ऑप्शंस के लिए आई थिंक पेरेंट्स शुड ओपन अप अ लिटिल बिट मोर. And students, parents can open only when you people have fun. ठीक है. If you are wobbly कि आज ये करना है, कल वो करना है, it can be a phase, but if you're permanently like that, it will be difficult for your parents also to adjust. ठीक है. And you should, I read it somewhere, if you think of changing the generation, first you think, if tomorrow your child wants to do something else, other than a fixed set of options like engineering, doctorate, or lawyer, or something fixed, how much open up you are going to be? How much prepared? Suppose tomorrow your child tells you that I am going to leave all this, I want to become a farmer. What are you going to do? How are you going to handle that? You suppose, so there are two perspectives given: how you behave in front of your parents and how you behave in front of your child. This will open up so many questions in your mind. Your perspective will be broadened so much, and then when you start looking for answers, you will get the correct solution. आप सोचिए ना, कल अगर आपका बेटा बोल रहा है कि मुझे किसान बनना है, आप क्या करेंगे? आप मुझे पढ़ाई नहीं करनी, मुझे किसान नहीं बनना है, क्या करेंगे आप?
मैम मैं उसको बोलूँगी यार तुम एग्रीकल्चर के लिए भी बहुत सारे स्टडीज होते हैं वो कर लो. एंड देन
लेकिन किसान ऐसा क्या किसान इतना खराब होता है?
नहीं किसान इज गुड बट तुम पहले एजुकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एजुकेशन इज प्राइमरी. पहले वो करना देन उसके बाद तुम करो.
As a parent, one always think his child becomes.
So you decide what level of education is important.
Yes, ma'am. Education
Should
is
he complete
primary.
Should he complete his 12th? Should he complete his BTech? Should he complete his BSc? Should he complete only his BA? So when you open up to your child, उस perspective से आप सोचेंगे ना, then you will have the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I read this in a book by an Indian author. That author is very famous, but I am not able to remember his name right now.
And it is actually a good question. Everyone should answer this question.
Yes, everyone should.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my last question to you is, as we are also intern at PASIO, there are more than 15 from our colleges and 10 plus from other college. And we got to know that PASIO CFO and one of the shareholder, Arunima ma'am, who is from IIT Delhi, that the startup is paying her nearly 1.5 lakh monthly in stipends. And considering people are fighting for placement of 50k to 70k, how do you feel about startup from RGIPT is paying over 1.5 lakhs to a IIT Delhi intern? and also in its first year.
I think it's great. I think it's great that someone has come up with such a platform. And this, I think, is not born out of passion. This is born out of interest,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
of someone. So I'm definitely very proud. An RJPT student has done this kind of. But I think so many people are making proud in RJPT. People have got seed grants, and people are filing for copyrights and patents. So many. So yes, this is, I think, a wonderful opportunity that shows that JEE is not the end of the world,
Yes, ma'am.
and you can be anything you want. I think you, is that the founder of Apache never prepared, never had a goal कि मुझे Apache बनाना है. ऐसा तो goal नहीं होगा लाइफ में.
नहीं मैम,
है ना?
ऐसा तो आपको पूछना पड़ेगा ये
उसको
तो.
इंटरेस्टिंग करने का सोचा होगा, and then he came up with this idea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, I think it's great.
Ma'am, what are you like expecting from Yapasio in future?
I hope this expands for many other colleges and inspires many other students. And you can have means so much to this because it is more of an open discussion. It will be very helpful to people who are in their kind of tumultuous state of class 11th and 12th, and they keep on thinking what they are going to do. So I think this will be a great help.
Yes,
And it will develop into a very nice community.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, discussion is to like all my doubts are over. Anshita, do you have any doubt?
No. Actually, सारे students को मतलब अब clear होगा that what they actually need to do in their career and how can they overcome all the problems or hurdles that they face. So thank you, ma'am.
This conversation might be helpful to someone out there.
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
had a
All
great
our
time chatting
RJIPT
with you.
students will see this. I'm damn sure.
So,
Okay.
thank you. Have a great time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.